Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but effective video. Today's video, I'm going to be making carrot and turmeric juice. I'm going to also put a piece of ginger, a decent sized piece of ginger. I'm going to put one lime. I'm going to sweeten it with some honey. I'm going to put about 2 to 2.5 cups of water inside it. Because I don't want to put too much water and water down the thing. You want to put just a little bit of water so you still can get all of the flavor them out of the ingredients. But before we get into that, please make sure you hit that subscribe button for a regular healthy video. You can also leave a comment down below saying that I've subscribed and I will get back to you. So now let's talk a bit about the health benefits of each ingredient. Carrot. We all know that carrot is good for your eyes. But did you know that carrot is a good source of fiber? Yes, it is. And as I said before, carrot is good for your eye health. Turmeric. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is also a very powerful antioxidant. And turmeric, can help with skin condition. So if you got a skin condition, you can try a bit of turmeric and see if that helps. Ginger. Ginger reduce gas. Ginger also improve digestion. Ginger may help with weight loss. Because a lot of those videos that you see about losing weight, they've all got a piece of ginger inside it. So ginger, may help with the weight loss. Ginger may lower your blood sugar, and it may also help in lowering cholesterol. Lime. Lime improves digestion. Lime, it fights infections. And lime again help with weight loss. So that's the benefit side of all of these ingredients that I'm going to be using today. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to prepare all of these and then I'll get back to you. Make sure so you wash all of your ingredients them thoroughly so you can get off all of the dirt and all of the unwanted things that you don't want inside the juice. So I'm just going to go scrape these, get them prepared, chop them up, and then I'll come back in a bit. Yes, people, so here we have it now. I've cut up carrot. This is my ginger, a little turmeric. And what I did, I just peel the lime, just the outside. So what you can do with that now, you can just cut it in half. Just like that. So all the ingredients is there now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them inside the blender. Just move this to the side a bit. So I'm going to just throw them inside the blender. Now we have with ginger. the lime. And then we're going to put half a tablespoon of turmeric inside it. And then we're going to add the water. But remember, you don't want to put too much water inside it because you want to keep the richness of the juice. If you put too much water, you're going to dilute it out too much. And this is about 2 to 2.5 cups of water, which should be alright. There you go. So we're gonna close the blender, just start the process of blending and get these things out of the way. Just lift up the camera a bit. Yep. So that's it. Just turn the power and just blend. Yes, people, so here we have it. Thing done blend out. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna throw it and strain it off in our container. So let me just do that now. I'm using one of them straining bags. But you can use a proper strainer or sieve if you want. Yep. So what we need to do now, just lift it up and just squeeze out the juice out of it. Yeah, just lift it up and just squeeze out the juice. So that look rich and nice. That's because we never put too much water in it. If you did put too much water, it would have watered down too much. But this look rich and nice. And it smells nice as well. I'm not exaggerating, it smells nice. You just squeeze it out until you squeeze out all of the juice. Oh. Yeah, I guess that's it. Can't get no more juice out of that right now. So I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna have a little taste. And then I'm gonna drop my honey in there and taste it and see if it's alright. So I'll taste it without the honey first and see. Yeah, it tastes alright without the honey, but I think it will taste better with just a little tot of honey in it still. You can put about a teaspoon of honey, something like that. Basically, you're just gonna sweeten it to your taste. So you might put a bit more than a teaspoon. It's all up to you. Give it a good mix. I'll have a next taste again. Yeah, that's it. That's nice. That's nice. You can taste the different flavors in it. You can taste the ginger. You can taste the lime. You can taste all of them combined together. So, this is it, people. This is the final product. I'm just gonna throw it out in a glass, make you have a good look. So there you have it. The final product. Carrot and turmeric drink. So please make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your post notification so you can be the first of many to receive a new video whenever FadaGugs upload a video. Give me a thumbs up and you can share this video to your friends and your family if you're happy with this video. FadaGugs is out.